Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Bree. I love to do makeup tutorials as well as makeup reviews and obviously Boxycharm unboxing. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to your girl's channel and show me some love in the club, you know what I'm saying? And if you guys are interested in learning what products I received this month, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, I do have another Boxycharm video for you guys, but this one I'm actually going to be demonstrating the products, which I haven't done in a while. I haven't had an eyeshadow palette for a minute, so I feel like that's why, and I finally got one this time. So the first product I'm going to talk about is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer, and this is $70, which is very, very pricey for a moisturizer for me. Anyways, let me just go ahead and read some things about it. Revive dull, dry, lackluster looking skin with this Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. It's supposed to remove surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. And I've been using it, incorporating it in my nighttime routine. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of like a greenish, bluish color. It does have a scent to it. It kind of reminds me of like Fruit Loops, the solid Fruit Loops, but it feels very nice on the skin. I'm actually going to be using it today. All I did so far on my face were my brows, just as a base, and now I'm going to apply the moisturizer because we want to stay moisturized when we are doing our makeup. It's just pretty much like a base for your skin. Make sure you look hydrated, no dry spots, none of that stuff. I like to take it down the neck as well, the décolleté. Alright, this next item I was super excited about when I saw it. I think this is going to be my favorite item in the box. This is from Give Them Lala Beauty. And pretty much she is Lala Kent from Vanderpump Rules, and I absolutely love that show. If you guys know me, like, I absolutely love that show. I think it's so amazing, and I love the cast, but especially Lala. When she came out on the show, I was so excited about her because she's so beautiful and fun and sassy. I just love her character. And this is her beauty line, and this is the eyeshadow palette that she came out with. And it is so pretty. I love how big the pan sizes are for the eyeshadows. You've got some shimmers in here as well as some mattes. It's a pretty neutral palette with obviously some color with the red shades. But let me just talk about this a little bit. This is Give Them Lala Beauty, the Grown Woman palette. Say hello to gorgeous eye palette full of earthy, sunset colored mattes and foiled shadows. Includes 9 highly pigmented shadows that feel buttery soft and silky to the touch. These perfectly blendable shades effortlessly glide across the eyelid for a long-lasting, jaw-dropping looks every time. And I did do a few swatches when I first got the palette, and they do feel very buttery and creamy, so I'm excited to be using this palette today. I also love the fact that it does come with this huge size mirror right here, so then you can obviously just get ready like this because it is so big. I don't know if I'm going to use it today just because I don't want to block you guys when I'm doing my makeup. But anyways, this palette is $42, but honestly, like, I haven't used it yet, but so far I would say like this product is definitely worth $42, and I love its hashtag Give Them Lala Beauty, which is super cute. So let's go ahead and hop into this tutorial. Let's waste no more time. Okay, now she's just gonna dive into Bridal Party, and I'm using an A11 brush for this. Hope everybody is doing well. Your girl is doing fab. Fabuloso. I feel like I haven't done a tutorial in so freaking long. But I have been killing it with the Boxycharm videos. Alright, when I started blending out Bridal Party on this side, I noticed it is a little bit patchy. Maybe it's just that shade, but I have noticed it is a little bit patchy. So just keep that in mind, I guess. Now I am going to take the shade I Do, this one, and put it in my inner corner area, and then I'm going to take the ring and put it towards the outer middle area. It's really pretty. Wow, that's gorgeous. Let's see if the ring will do the same. I feel like she always has a sunset look too. It looks so pretty on her. It's like one of her signatures. I'm just tapping these together so then they blend seamlessly. So freaking pretty. I love those. I love those two shades. They do feel very buttery as well. So gorge. Alright guys, so after I did that, I cleaned up my under eye a little bit because it was looking a little crazy, but then I also noticed that the shimmers are kind of fading away, so that's also something to take note of when you're deciding if you want to get this palette or not. Yeah. Alright guys, off camera I'm going to apply some lashes. I'm going to do a lower lash line, but I'm also going to do my base for the face, which is foundation, set it, and all that good stuff. So then I will be ready for the next product in the box, which is a bronzer. So I will be right back. Alright guys, your girl is back. I did lashes, all that good stuff, did base, and now I am ready for the next product in the box, which is going to be from Iconic London. This baby right here. So pretty. This is their ultimate bronzing powder, perfect for creating a sun-kissed warmth or define and sculpt the face. Has a matte finish, which I love. I love matte finish. I don't really like shimmery bronzers. And it's silky powder, sits comfortably on the skin and is effortlessly over pores and fine lines and has a flawless finish. And I've actually been using this for a few days now and I really do enjoy it. I love how big the pan size is. This is huge. And then it also comes with this mirror. I just haven't taken it off yet because I don't want to mess it up. But this is what she looks like. And I absolutely love her. This retails for $35, which I think is very decently priced considering how huge it is. And it's very beautiful packaging. I love the packaging as well. So your girl's just gonna go in. I'm just gonna swirl this around and then go in and just do the perimeters of my face per usual to warm up my pale face right now. So I'm just gonna do that. Just like to tap. I do love to tap it and then blend it out. That's just like the technique that I enjoy doing. And I love a lot of Iconic London's products. I think they're a great brand. And I have a lot of their products, so. Yes, guys, I absolutely love this bronzer. It is so nice. It gives such a beautiful color and it blends out so perfectly. So now that your girl's feeling like a bronzed goddess, I'm going to finish up the face and I'm gonna go off camera one more time just so I can finish everything else and then talk about the last two products in the box. So I will be right back. All right, guys, and your girl is back. Have a full face on now. So the last two items in the box, oh, I totally forgot to tell you guys the theme of the box as well. I'm so sorry about that. The theme is go all out for this month's box. So the last two items in the box is this from Clean Skin. And this is a salicylic acid alpha hydroxy beta hydroxy acids with eucalyptus oil and are combined to combat impurities and pollutants. This pretty much just helps with reducing acne and preventing breakouts from happening. And it comes like in a spray form, like that. The smell is a little, not so crazy about it. It's pretty heavy and this retails for $38. It's like a mist. Moving on to the last product in the box, which is from Jekka Black. I think that's how you say it. It's like a play pot. Pretty much it's a cream pigment and it can be used on the eyes, lips, and cheeks. And it's super easy to blend out. And it's vegan and cruelty-free formula. And this is what she looks like. This little thing. I'll open her up for you guys. And this is what it looks like. And it is a creamy consistency. Oh shoot, my nail's getting in there. Ew. But yeah, this is what it looks like. You can like blend it out. It blends out. I feel like it's just like a gold glitter. that you can put on your eyes if you're into that. And that retails for $21.50. That is it for the Go All Out August box. So now let's do some calculations like we always do so I can let you guys know the value of the box. All right. So 70, it's a pretty penny. 35, 38, 42, and $21.50. Damn, the value of this month's box is $206. Oh, sorry, my phone's kind of dirty. Sorry, but it's $206.50, which is a lot considering I only paid $25 for my BoxyCharm subscription. So I definitely think that that is a steal. I will let you guys know what my favorite product in the box was. I think it's going to be a tie between the Kate Somerville moisturizer and the iconic London bronzer. I enjoy both of these products and I would definitely recommend them to you guys. Like I said, the smell on here is a little much, but I mean, it's nothing that's like a deal breaker. And the item that I wasn't so crazy about, which I'm really sad to say, but I love her, but I just did not really love this palette, the Give Them Lala Beauty palette, the Grown Woman palette. I think it looks beautiful inside the pan. Performing wise, not so much on my eyes. I did notice a little patchiness, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but a little bit of the shimmers actually like pretty much disappeared. So it is a little unfortunate just because I was hoping that this was going to be a product that I absolutely loved. Yeah, so that's the only thing. I'm sorry Lala, I still love you. And maybe some of the other products that she has in her line, I haven't tried it yet, so I'm gonna have to do that for sure. But that is it for me, you guys. Please let me know down in the comments below which item was your fave, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.